good, guys? It's Jydell, and today we're doing the first 2K video on this channel in over 2 years. Today, we're going to see who the best GM in 2Hype is. Everyone is going to have 1 season to try to win a championship with the Lakers. Whoever has the best record and a championship is the winner. Let's see how the guys do. If you guys are interested in more NBA 2K videos from me, make sure to check out my JDL channel, link below in the description. Of course, now let's get to the video. Zach, you're up first. Today, we're seeing who the best GM in 2Hype is. You're going to get 1 season with the Lakers. You can do whatever you want. You can trade LeBron. Do whatever you want to do.
All right, trade finder. Let's trade him and...
Oh, you want to package him?
Yeah, let's package him with the young bull, Kendrick Nunn. Oh, 27 offers.
Okay, this would be a great long-term trade, but I don't know about
This
1
is,
season.
yeah, we're doing 1 year, man. We get Mitchell Robinson.
I don't know why the Knicks would ever do this. Well, they're the Knicks.
They're the Knicks.
It's kind of what they do.
I might go for that New York Knicks offer.
Straight up, you want to add
Mitchell
anything?
Robinson. What if we took out Kendrick Nunn?
All right, they're
not
willing to do it if we add a 2nd-round pick.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I don't know what the Knicks are thinking, but okay.
Okay, and then can we do another trade?
Of course.
What picks do we have to trade?
Oh, we have 2025 and 2026.
And then we'll package that with...
Okay, 23 offers. Ooh, this one's interesting.
Whoa, Jalen Brunson
And Moses Brown.
and Moses Brown. Oh, wow. And we get Moses Brown the package. Let's do this one.
Okay, bet. All right, let's see what the team looks like after your trades. We got Westbrook, Bazemore, LeBron, Anthony Davis, and Robinson. I'm assuming you want to start somebody else at the 2 guard.
Yeah. Let's start Kendrick Nunn.
All right. Any more trades, or you like your team?
I like this. I like this a lot.
All right, we'll go to the trade deadline and just see how your Lakers do. If you want me to stop at any point, let me know.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, wait, I gotta turn off injuries. Fuck.
There's so many injuries.
I know. How many of these do you think Chris has had?
At least 12.
He's never had this one.
Nah.
That's so foul. Here we go. All right, we're looking good. You have built quite the squad so far. John Collins for Anthony Davis?
No.
Yeah.
Lost by 10. Ooh.
I mean,
Bro.
we're the 2 seed. Just a little rough patch. Damn, the Kings are handling us, bro. You want to take a look at any of those, or just keep going?
Keep going.
Okay, we're back on track. Back on track. Easy game against the Thunder.
Okay.
Easy game against the Magic. Okay, we're on a huge winning streak. Again,
Lost to the Heat. Come on, man.
You're a good team.
Sorry.
It's all good. Hey, no worries. I'm a Knicks fan now. And
We're sick of the Heat, huh?
I'm not sick of the Heat. I just felt like it was being weird if I was a fan of like all New York teams and then just one not. I was like, I have to synergize. All right, so I'll just show you the stats, the standings. We're 44-12. Milwaukee's 39-7. I mean, we have the best record by far right now.
Yeah.
Should we just keep it going?
Let's keep it going, bro. Oh my God.
Yeah. Big 3 is just
They're
sharing the love.
almost all averaging a double-double.
And they're all shooting like the exact same %.
I'm loving this. Look at Mitchell Robinson's field goal percentage.
Oh my
bro.
God.
Oh man.
Dude,
Hey, we might have to give Mitchell some more minutes. Listen.
Honestly, the team
I made
looks
some
pretty
good
solid
trades,
right now.
man. I made some good trades. And let's give Mitchell Robinson.
It's already at
He's
35.
at 35. Let's give him 1 more.
Okay.
Let's give Brunson. Let's give him 3. Let's give Nunn 2.
All right, we've reshuffled the minutes, and we're gonna go to the end of the regular season. Beat the Clippers, we beat the Pelicans, we beat the Mavericks, we beat the Clippers, the Warriors. We are beating all the good teams, and then we lose to the Spurs.
Come on, man.
All right, Giannis was
Okay.
the MVP.
All right.
Okay, do we have any other award winners? Coach of the year.
Okay, I
So we
like
went
that.
65 and
17.
Pretty damn good.
Wow.
Westbrook and LeBron on the first team.
Okay.
Davis
AD
on the second.
I like that.
All right, let's simulate the play-in. The Nuggets.
Ooh.
Do you want to make a game plan, or should we just sim? I think
Let's
we're gonna beat
sim.
them.
Let's sim.
Okay, we take game 1,
Yep.
2.
Okay.
Oh. All right. They do have
Okay.
they did have last year's MVP, but it's not enough.
Not enough. Not enough at all.
Oh, Portland.
We're good. We're good. We're
We don't
good.
need
We're
a
good.
game
We're
plan
good.
for
We're good. We're good.
Portland.
Okay.
1-0.
Yep.
2-0.
Okay. Yep.
2-1. Hey, Dame.
Oh, come on, Dame. Okay, come on.
It
come
is
on.
Dame.
Yes.
Okay. We got the Utah Jazz.
Utah Jazz. Oh, we're good. We're good.
No game plan?
We're good. Nope. Keep it going. Come on.
1-0.
Yes. Come on.
2-0.
Yes. Come on.
2-1. Hey,
Come on.
we've gone 2-1
Come on.
every
Come
series.
on. Yes.
3-1.
Come on. Ooh, come on. Come on. Come on. Yes.
We're in the finals, and we're going against the Milwaukee Bucks.
Damn it.
Do the Bucks deserve a game plan?
No.
No?
We're running it. We're running it. We got
Okay,
the minutes.
1-0.
Yes. Come on.
2-0.
Yes. Come on. Yes. Come on. Do we sweep? Oh. Come on.
Yes!
Let's go!
All right, so Zach won the championship, 65 regular season wins. Zach and, of course, the championship. All right, let's see how the next person does. All right, Chris, you get 1 season to try to win a championship with the Lakers.
With the Lakers? Oh, that's easy.
Yeah, whatever trades you want to make, whatever you want to do, I'm here to help you. But we're gonna see who's the best GM. You want to trade anyone? You try to keep the team together? What's your thoughts here?
I'm gonna have to. I'm glad Westbrook is back in LA, but I just want to see what the market's looking like for Westbrook and DeAndre Jordan.
Okay, all right, an interesting pairing.
Oh my God, Shea and Ty Jerome. I'm caught between Shea and De'Aaron Fox with Buddy Hield. I feel like that
is an interesting pairing because then you get a good 2 guard.
It's got LeBron James, still have AD, still have Dwight Howard.
This is a tough decision, bro.
I'm gonna do it.
You're gonna do it?
We're gonna do it.
Westbrook and Jordan for De'Aaron and Buddy Hield. Okay. Any other trades you want to make, or you want to see what the lineup looks like?
See what the lineup looks like.
De'Aaron, Hield, LeBron, Davis, and Howard. Off the bench, we got Carmelo, Kendrick Nunn, Rondo, Horton Tucker.
Kind of want to give Kendrick Nunn like 5 minutes less and give it to Monk. Give Monk a little. Okay, I like this. I like it. Let's see how we do the first couple weeks.
So we'll go to the trade deadline. If you want me to stop at any point, or you want to take a trade, let me know. See how your Lakers do. Okay, off to a great start. Damn, you have not. Okay, we lost to the worst team in the NBA, but we're in the Heat. And the Spurs, and the Bulls, and the Bucks. Second in the conference. We're looking pretty nice.
Let's make a change after this game.
W.
All right, let's look at the stats. Let's see how people are playing.
Davis is leading the team in points, shooting the ball well. Braun's struggling a little bit.
I think, honestly, I want to change.
Dude, Buddy Hield is shooting 36%.
We got to trade him. Trade Buddy and Monk. Okay. Markkanen and fucking... Smart and
Bogdanovich, Rozier. We are getting really good offers here.
All right, we're gonna get Bogdan, bro.
And we get DeLon Wright off the bench. Okay. All right. So Fox, Bogdanovich, LeBron, Davis, Howard off the bench. Still Carmelo, Kendrick Nunn, Horton Tucker, Rondo, and Wright.
All right. I think I'm gonna do something crazy here.
Okay.
This might be a championship threat. I'm kind of liking the Mitchell Robinson. I think I'm gonna.
We can negotiate. Oh, they'll do it for a second round pick swap.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's see Horton Tucker with Nunn.
Duncan Robinson.
Oh, I think that's a good trade.
This is the one. Oladipo and Duncan.
I'm going for it.
Going for it. Okay.
Let's win this fucking chip.
Let's go to the chip, baby. We will still go to the trade deadline just in case you want to make any last second changes, but we should be pretty good. We're still the number 2 seed in the conference despite everything that's happened. Yeah, we should crush the Kings.
Come on.
They do have Westbrook. Wow. Westbrook revenge game, bro.
Why are we losing?
Why are we losing?
What is going on?
All right. Well, we'll take a look at the standings. We are at the trade deadline. We are 4th. It's not like this is a disaster. So Davis is shooting well. LeBron's shooting good, but not like to the level.
I think LeBron should honestly be like 3rd option.
3rd option? Okay.
I want De'Aaron to be 2nd.
I think we're gonna finish as a top 2 seed. I'd be surprised if we stay all the way down at 4th.
We're 5th? Okay.
3rd. Okay, good win on the road.
Come on. Damn, the Pelicans are fucking good.
Hey, but revenge game. Okay, we finished as the 3 seed. Giannis with an MVP. We have no All-NBA first teamers. LeBron on the 3rd team.
Damn.
Davis on the 2nd team. Westbrook made it. So first round we got the Portland Trailblazers. Oh, they actually traded for Clint Capella.
They have 2 bigs.
They're running 2 bigs. We take game 1.
Game 1, let's get it.
We take game 2.
Get the brooms.
Oh,
get the
brooms.
Fucking brooms.
Sweet.
Let's go. Come
Going
on.
against the Clippers, bro.
Come on.
Normal Clippers team. They're a little small. They're playing small ball. We take game 1. They got game 2. They got game 3. They took game 4. We're down 3-1.
We lost by 20, bro.
We did.
First game.
We'll start out. Who do we want to guard Kawhi? LeBron, I'm guessing?
Let's put Davis on.
Okay. I'm guessing we'll put LeBron on Paul George.
Let's get it.
Down 3-1. This is LeBron James' specialty. We come back.
Come on.
We win by a point. We're going to go Simcast, bro. This is too tight.
Come on. Let's go, boys.
Can we come back from 3-1?
Let's go, boys. Come on. No.
Oh!
Game 7!
Oh my god.
Game 7!
7.
Let's go. Come on,
What do we
boys.
want? Any change for the minutes? The scouts say give more minutes to LeBron.
Give more minutes to LeBron.
Here we go. Game 7. Game 7. We're down a lot, bro.
Oh my God,
I think this is the end of our
over.
season. This is the end of our season. Well, a good run.
Clippers are a good team. We lost to Benjamin Simmons. Well, all right, let's see how the next person does. All right, Jesse, you have 1 season to prove you're the best GM in 2 Hype. Try to win a championship with the Los Angeles Lakers.
Let's do it. Let's get Kyrie Irving to start.
You're gonna trade for Kyrie Irving. They only want LeBron James.
No, we're not getting Kyrie Irving. Bonus? What do they want for him? AD? Are they crazy? Zion?
Nope.
No. Ingram, come back?
Nope.
No. Siakam? Wow.
Dude, you're going bold here. You're just trying to trade for whatever star player you can get.
Nah, I'm not trading Westbrook. Honestly, I feel like the Lakers already have like a championship roster. Let's see what Westbrook can get us.
Okay, Chris Middleton and Brook Lopez.
What?
That's a saucy duo right
Oh
there.
my god. Chris Paul?
Imagine if Westbrook and Paul got traded for each other twice. It's tough.
I'm gonna get Chris Paul.
Chris Paul.
For
Okay.
Russell Westbrook and Trevor Ariza. Now my team is insane. Okay, I'm gonna trade a pick
Okay.
and Carmelo. Mitchell Robinson?
Mitchell Robinson.
Come on, Mitchell Robinson, baby.
Okay.
I just need a good shooting guard, man.
Yeah, not as many good offers around this time.
Alright, I'm gonna trade Dwight Howard for Victor Oladipo.
Okay. All right. Let's take a look at the lineup.
We got Chris Paul, Victor Oladipo, LeBron James, Anthony Davis, and Mitchell Robinson.
Okay. Off the bench, Kendrick Nunn, Saric, Rondo, DeAndre Jordan.
I've made big improvements. Damn.
We're off to like a
His team-
so-so start.
Is team chemistry off? I'm getting a lot of losses.
Yeah, we're off to a rough start here.
I'm a little confused. I feel like this is an amazing team.
It is. It might just take some time to gel. We're the 3 seed right now, so we're not bad. Like we're actually pretty good.
Oh my god. They just offered me Kyrie Irving, but they also want Victor Oladipo. I can't, man.
You can't do it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do it, man.
You mean we are the 2nd seed right now? We only lost to Brooklyn by 1. Beat Philly. That's a good win. Hawks on the road. That's a tough one.
Damn,
All right, so we are the 2 seed. Should we look at the stats, the standings? What are we
We're
thinking?
gonna have to trade Finder, man.
Look, you're gonna trade LeBron James.
I just want to see hypothetically what people would even throw out there.
Okay, the Anthony Davis trade. This is spicy.
For no reason, right?
I don't know, man.
All right, fuck it. I'm just gonna go for
You're
it.
going for it. All right, let's see it for
You
you.
think my team's better than Zach's team?
Your team's different than Zach's team.
Who did he have?
Zach mostly traded like the role players around. He was like shifting the role players around. Okay, but so far, I mean, your team is doing pretty good. Like Clippers, Pelicans, those are tough teams. Hopefully you can get the 1st seed here. We just dropped down to 4th.
Whoa! I just lost 5 games in a row. That's a little odd for LeBron.
Okay, LeBron with the MVP though.
Let's
Haven't seen that yet.
go.
All right, LeBron on the 1st team, Westbrook as well. So we are the 2 seed. Oh, the Phoenix with Westbrook, the 1 seed.
Wow.
Questionable trade.
For me?
According to the game.
Okay, that's fine.
That's fine. All right, Portland, you don't need a game plan, do you?
Simulate rounds.
Simulate round. We were eliminated.
This is the stupidest fucking sim engine I've seen in my entire life.
Well, Jesse,
I'm out.
Let's see how Mitchell. Mitchell,
Yes.
you have 1 season to rebuild the Lakers and win a championship.
Ooh.
We're seeing who the best GM in 2 Hype is.
Okay. I'm gonna need your help because I've never done this before.
We got a squad. It's old, but it's a squad.
All right. First things first. We're getting rid of Westbrook. Let's get Kendrick Nunn out of there too.
Pretty good offer so far. Just tell me if you want me to stop. Well, you don't really care about the future. We're only here for 1 year.
That is true. Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh, let's go Chris Paul.
You want to trade for Chris Paul? Just what do you think of that trade? He traded Westbrook for Chris Paul and Jay Crowder.
I wouldn't recommend that.
I like it. I'm keeping the team old.
So after your trade, we got Chris Paul, Kent Bazemore, LeBron, Davis, Howard off the bench, Carmelo, Jay Crowder, Rondo. We could start Monk instead of Bazemore, I guess.
No, we'll keep it as is.
Okay, all right. Let's simulate to the trade deadline. Mitchell, how do you think your team is going to do?
I think decent.
Decent? Do you think you're going to win the championship?
I hope so.
Play Thompson for Anthony Davis.
Ooh, no.
Okay, you're off to a great start, bro. These are a lot of dubs. Ooh, you've been offered Schroeder.
Let's do it.
So far, your team is doing really good. We're the 2 seed right now, so like overall, we're doing really good. That's a heartbreaking loss, bro. We are on a 5-game
my
winning, but we beat the
God.
Nets.
Okay.
Okay, little 5-game losing streak, but looks like we're trying to bounce back.
I haven't beat the Blazers yet.
Okay, we beat the Hawks. That's a good team. Memphis, that's a toughie.
The Kings
We are
destroyed.
doing bad.
Let's trade.
All right, let's make some trades. Ooh,
Um,
Bazemore is shooting very bad, and he's our starter.
Alright, yeah, we gotta switch him.
Decent offers, I guess. Nothing crazy.
Yeah, I just want to get a new shooting guard. What's Victor looking like?
Doing okay. He's doing better than Bazemore, but not that good.
You know, let's get Victor.
Okay, so Oladipo now joins the squad. All right, see how the team does after those moves. We'll go to the trade deadline. Ooh, we are losing a bunch of games here, bro. This is getting scary.
Bad. It started off so good.
We're the 8th seed now, 6th seed. This is
No.
tough. Trade deadline. Do we want to let the team gel, or do we want to make more changes?
You know what? We're going for an old team.
We are. We are only doing one season though, so age doesn't matter too much.
Let's do it.
You're doing it.
Let's do it.
But Davis for Butler. Okay. Okay, this is gonna throw our lineup for a loop. This is gonna be a weird, bro.
I have a weird feeling it's gonna do well.
We are the 7th seed. Giannis with an MVP. LeBron on the All-NBA first team.
Nice.
Mitchell, we are going against the Jazz. Do you want to make a game plan? What's the idea here?
We can injure Rudy Gobert.
All right, let's see how we do in this series. We win game 1.
Nice.
We also take game 2. All right, your game.
Ooh,
I didn't mean to
made
simulate the whole thing, but your game plan worked to perfection. We're going against Zion and the boys. We should probably make a game plan.
Let's have LeBron guard Zion.
Game 1, New Orleans beats us by 5. Game 2, we beat them by 8. We take game 3. We take
Let's
game
go.
4. Hey, we're in the conference finals. Okay, going against Portland.
Hey, and we started bodying Portland at the end there.
All right, here we go. Game 1. We take game 1. We take 2. I think this might be a sweep. All right.
Easy.
The 76ers. They got Simmons. It's their normal team. Joel is a little scary here.
We're gonna be double teaming in the post.
Okay. All right. The NBA Finals versus the 76ers.
Ooh,
We take
okay.
game 1. We take game
Let's
2.
go.
3.
Uh-oh.
Hey! All
Let's
right.
go.
Mitchell, you have won the championship. Awesome job.
Thank you.
You did better than Jesse and Chris.
I knew that.
Yeah, that was easy.
All right, boys. All 4 of you rebuilt the Lakers. 2 of you succeeded. Last place, Jesse, lost in the first round. Chris, second round loss.
Second round. Hey, I almost did a 3-1 comeback.
You almost. Mitchell did win as a 7th seed.
Woo!
And Zach just, you clearly won today. 65 wins, 1 seed, championship.
do to the Lakers? Yeah, dude.
Nice, bro. I'm a GM.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want us to do it again with a different team, let me know below. And also make sure to check out my JDL channel where I'm posting 2K every single day. Check out their channels as well. See you guys later. Peace.